What's going on, everybody? Back out here at the river. Same spot as last time, using crappie and white bass again. Started off with the white bass. Got a nice chunk on there. Eat it out there. There was a bunch of limbs in the way, kind of making it hard to cast. Not too deep here, a couple feet deep, but it holds fish. That's all that matters. Get the pole in the hole. Get the bell on there. And wait for a bite. Good thing is it didn't take very long, maybe about 5 minutes, and I finally got a nibble. Waited for him to fully commit before I set the hook. He had it that time. Yep, fish on, baby.
Yeah.
There he is right there.
Ooh,
Got him in the eyeball. You know that hurt.
went through his eyeball.
Ow. A good look at him without the hook in his eye. Nice channel. Yeet it back out there. Get another one. Get the pole in the hole. Can't forget the notification bell. It was right under my nose and I didn't see it. All right. This one took about 10-15 minutes to bite. But yeah, fish on, baby. Another fish on. Another good sized channel. Didn't get him an eyeball. Get him a nice piercing though. Got him good. There he is right there. Get a good look at him. About the same size. Get the pole back in the hole. Wait for another bite. Almost lost my bell.
Flew off somewhere. There it is.
It flew off when I set the hook. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get any more bites or any more fish, but did see some turkeys. Just flying across the river. Pretty cool to see. They're lucky it was Thanksgiving's over with. That'd have been dinner. There's a second group. Those turkeys didn't hesitate. They all just took off. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.